Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging, so we have another review. Let's see who this is from. I can get it open here. Get it all the way. It's kind of a big bag. All right. This is kind of big. This is from Biggest Craft, and I will be doing a two-part, or excuse me, this will be a three-part unbagging. Be right back. Right, I am back. So let us get started here. Well, as you know, the last time I ordered one of these, it got broke, and guess what? I guess I should just give up on this because it just does nothing but get broke. I might be able to repair that, so I'm not going to take it out in fear of losing, you know, the pieces. So I'll have to see if I can repair it. If I can, I will show you in one of my other videos. But they're so pretty. I wanted this one because it was a sewing machine. I just thought it was so cool. But, you know, they're just too fragile and they just don't withstand. So I do have others. I don't know where they're at right now. So, yeah. Now that little ditty was... Hang on. It was $2.99. So, not worth it. Let's get on with the cross stitch. And we'll start with this one. It is a 14 count from Joy Sunday. It's 35 by 33. Comes in the lovely bag with the lovely printed instructions on the bag. If I can get it out of here. Sometimes they're just so close. Ah. Gee, creepers. That sucker was stuck at it. But isn't that a lovely picture with those lovely pink flowers? I think they're peonies. I'm not real sure. But they're just beautiful. And look at that butterfly, how delicate and pretty. Yes, and it comes with, oh my goodness. Let's see here. It has 43 colors. 43? Nope, 45. And you do regular cross stitch, back stitch, and half stitches. Just lovely. Nice big key, or graft, or chart, if you will. Just absolutely beautiful. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors in back stitching alone. But yeah, look at how many colors. Oh my goodness. I never would have thought there'd been that many colors. Let's take a look at all the beautiful colors. Comes with 2 needles. I'm going to pull you forward just a hair. So sorry, my bad. Comes with 2 needles. It does not have a sticker on it with the, you know, what the product is. They're short threads. But look at those beautiful threads. Let me just lay this down here so we can, lay it so you can see what's going on. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the teals and the turquoises, and pinks and greens. Even some bright peach, if you will. There's such a thing as bright peach. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Tans, browns, oranges. There's even some yellow. And then over here we have some more greens, some bright red, bright, 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 bright orange. Beautiful colors. Just beautiful. Like I said, I can't believe there's 45 colors in that. But it is, so it should be really defined. Isn't that beautiful? Just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's take a look at the canvas. Holy moly. And you do not do the background on this. I'm trying to figure out which way's up here. There we go. So there's not too much to it. Trying to get it to lay down here. And I like how they have these little lines that go, that's that color, that's that color, just so you're really clear on what it is. But you have a very nice big key that runs along here with all your beautiful colors. And those are for the cross stitches. Then you have a section for your back stitch and your half stitch. Sorry, I need a drink of water. Beautiful. Just stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It doesn't look like it'd be too hard to do. The symbols are really nice and clear and very, well stamped. So it's very easy to see what's going on. It is serged all the way around. It does have one of the numbers up here that's on the front of the kit. And it says 151 by 142. Let's see how big it is. It's supposed to be 38 by 38. It's 37 by 35. The actual picture is 27 and a half, which is almost 11 by, there's a bump there, 26, which is, so it's about a 10 by 11-ish here and there. But you do not do the background, so that is just absolutely awesome. So this one's another one that wouldn't take very long. I may do this one. May do this. This is just absolutely beautiful. The colors here are awesome. Just awesome. And it doesn't look too confettied. Things run in rivers. So that's really nice. I don't know why they put the back stitching on here when you don't do it until after, you're done. I don't get that. I don't understand. And Joy Sunday's not the only one that does that. Others do it as well. I just don't get it. But I think that is a beautiful kit. I can hardly wait to start that one. Even if it is a 14 count, it is absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Now, I'm going to go through this. I got this one from Biggest Craft back, I would call it around a month ago. And it did not have all the back extra thread. So they just sent me a whole new kit. And I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I want to see if that thread's in there. I'm just dying to know. Let me just pull it all out. Whoop. The picture got a little staticky. Isn't it beautiful? It's just so gorgeous. Another one of my Peking ladies, I call them. It comes with a nice graft. And it has 30 colors. Let's see. Aha! It came with the big wad of thread. Perfect. So this will be beautiful. It's 939 is what I'm looking for. That's number 16. Hey, get down. Get down. But yeah, it should have totally enough to do that. And it has such beautiful, beautiful colors. These are all nice and long. Tell you what I'm going to do. So I won't lose it. We're just going to put it right back into this bag. I'm trying. Hang on. But it has just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Okay. thread's going in 90 different directions. Just beautiful. Look at all those teals and reds and blues. Looks like a 3865 here. And the peaches. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to put that back in there so it doesn't get separated. But it's a beautiful canvas. It's one of those thinner ones. And it is not serged all the way around. I'm not going to measure it or anything. But see how it has all that 939 back there in that yellow? Just all that yellow is 939. And then there's some in here. Just a bit. But it is just beautiful. It's a 40 by 56. So look for me to start this one sometime soon. Thank you so much, Biggest Craft, for sending me another kit and it having all the thread that it needs. Fold that up, put that up there for a moment, and let's see what else we got. Okay, and I don't have a price on that other one. The Joy Sunday one that I got, though, is... oh, what was it? Not sure. Not sure at all. This is called Rich Fish, and it was $15.99. It is a 14 count, 38 by 53. Comes in the beautiful Joy Sunday bag. You okay over there, Molly? She's trying to eat and running back and forth. Because she thinks somebody's actually going to get her food. She's got no competition here. Don't think. I don't own any other pets. But isn't that beautiful? Look at all the colors. I have no idea how many colors it'll have. But it's just beautiful. It's kind of a stained glass look, you know, with everything outlined in the black or dark blue, I'm not real sure, but it has this lovely koi in the middle of it. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. It has, let me look. There is no back stitching, but as you can see, the pattern, everything's outlined in black. I just thought that was kind of cool and different looking. Okay, so it has 310. It has 18 colors. So 310 is your outline color. So it doesn't have too many colors. It's more of a cartoon look to the picture, if you will. Let's see what those beautiful colors look like. Let's see if I can pull them out of here. Another one you don't do the background on. There's some nice rose, like a dark rose, and a cream, and 3865. Does come with 2 needles. Lots of 310 for the back, for the outlining. So used to saying background. And what is that other color? That number 3 is 336. Huh, don't believe I've ever had that one. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. It's kind of a 60s looking thing, if you will. But I really like it. It's beautiful. You know, it's bright, bright, vivid colors. Loving it. Even if it is a 14 count. Yeah. Some of these kits may change my mind on 14 counts. This is serged all the way around, and I got it upside down. I'm so sorry. Does have both the numbers that it's out on the front of the paper. It is 170 by 247. You don't do the background, just the pattern in the middle. Lots of big, big areas. Yoo-hoo. But it doesn't look real hard to do at all, because all the colors are kind of separated, if you will. Trying to bring it up to the top so you can see it all. Just beautiful. But it was so different from anything else I've seen from Joy Sunday that I had to get it. It was like the sun and the moon thing I got. 38. And I don't think that was Joy Sunday. But you know what I mean. It is 53 by 38. 38 by 53. Perfect. Right on the money there. And it is 31 by 44 and a half. 44 and a half. So it's 17 by like 12 and a quarter. So yeah, this would take a while because there's big areas to stitch. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. I just love, love, love the colors. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm glad there's only 18 colors in that. It'll be interesting to see how it looks with all the black lines, you know, running through it and around it. Like to outline everything. It's just a different kind of a cross stitch. So that's why I like that. Just absolutely beautiful. Trying to get everything together. All right. So go check out Biggest Craft. They have free shipping for orders over $49. And right now they're having a site-wide 18% off all items, which is nice. They have counted cross stitch. They have pre-stamped cross stitch, embroidery, beaded embroidery, is that what you call it? Or beaded cross stitch. And they also do customs, and they have a separate Joy Sunday section. So go check them out, and I will be back later on today with the second part of this unbagging.